Hello guys, today I'm showing you how to create button in Tkinter. Okay, first we gonna create a button. I gonna name it as button. We have to give parameters window object and text of the button. Now we have to pack it. Let's run the code. Here we can see the button. Okay, let's add something on click. We have to give a command parameter. Let's define the click function. We gonna create label. Pack the label. Let's run the code. Yeah, it worked. Okay guys, let's see you in next video. Have a nice day.